This video is sponsored by JLC PCB. JLC PCB, one of the largest PCB manufacturer in China. Here you can design your own PCB by free PCB editor. Just upload your Gerber file and order your own PCB under $2 for 10 pieces. Check description for more information. To make this circuit we will need IR receiver, 100 kilo ohm resistor, BC547 NPN transistor 2 pieces, a 10 kilo ohm potentiometer, a 12 volt SPDT relay, 103 PF, IC555 with IC base, a 1N4007 diode, a small piece of PCB, a 220 power supply, 2-pin or 3-pin power socket, any kind of 230 volt load like mobile charger, any kind of 9 volt power supply like 9 volt battery with battery cap, 3 1 kilo ohms resistor, 1 LED. Okay guys, this is our circuit diagram. I'll put the link in the description below. Here you can see there is a 100 kilo ohms resistor, 10 kilo ohm potentiometer and 100 microfarad capacitor. Okay, so first see how we can adjust the output time. Okay, so now first download the software Timer 555 calculator. Now open the software, click on monostable mode. Here you can see this is the circuit diagram. So now click on frequency. Here you can see in our circuit diagram there is 100 kilo ohm resistor, 1 potentiometer and 100 microfarad capacitor. But here you can see there is 1 resistor and 1 capacitor. Okay, so here you can see this is the 100 kilo ohm resistor and the 10 kilo ohm resistor are connected in series. That means the total resistor will be 100 kilo ohms plus 10 kilo ohms. So total resistor will be 110 kilo ohms. Okay, so here I simply put here Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Also subscribe my channel for more updates. So thanks for watching. See you in my next video.